Hi there, welcome back to Save with the Crypto. This is the third part of the Phemex short tutorial. So what had happened in the last one, I was really delighted that the order had triggered at the price of 32,850, and you can see since then that the price of Bitcoin has come down quite a lot actually. Now in my last video I did move the take profit like way down here. For the sake of the video I'm actually going to close the trade today because it's only a testnet trade, so it's not real money, and it's kind of depressing me a little bit because I didn't use real money, but I was looking at the way I'd framed the trade originally and with this tool on TradingView. So the profit I was originally looking for was kind of down here at like where are we now, 28,645. I basically went for this old wick here on the 22nd of June. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the trade out now because I want to concentrate on this trade I've just set up with real money, which is this one here over on Bybit. I obviously didn't get a good entry. I got an entry at 29,785 and it's obviously gone down a little bit now, so I'm $233 in profit, 4.52%. I'm going to hopefully, I think this might go down to sort of 26,000 maybe, possibly further, but then I want to do a short down to there, and then I want to set some long positions to go back up, because I don't think it will go, certainly no lower than 20, but you know, if I can get some buys in at 22, 23, 24, that kind of thing, I'll be really happy. So at the moment, yeah, I'm on a short with 5x leverage, using half my stash, and yeah, I mean, it's going okay. But I want to concentrate on this because this is real money and the Phemex one isn't. So how do you close a trade? Well, you can do two things. You can either do a market close, which will just close at the price it is now, or you can do a limit close where you can choose the price that you want it to close at. Limit is slightly better in the way that you can choose the price, and also you'll pay less in fees, and market you pay slightly higher in fees, but obviously if you see a dip you can just go for it straight away and, you know, click close. I'll just show you how it works with the limit. So okay, so I mean, with $7,224 in profit at an amazing 57%, so let's close it with a limit order. So if you click limit, it will by default show you a price about where it is now, and you can just go confirm, and you'll probably see as the price wiggles around that will probably close any second now. This one will trigger at 29,465. It's currently at 29,494. Let's just see if it drops a little bit more. If I change this to the 1 minute time frame, you can probably see a little bit better. Okay, so quite typically when I'm trying to demonstrate something live, the price went the other way, the price went up. So I do need the price to come down to this 29,465 to close, and I'm going to wait because as you've probably sussed now, a lot of trading is just waiting and being patient. The temptation is to try and make things happen quickly, to try and get into trades quickly, or to try and get out of trades quickly. But really just waiting is one of the best skills you can ever learn, and just being patient and waiting for things to happen. So what I'll do, I'll pause this video and hopefully I'll try and catch it when it does actually close out. Okay, so a couple of hours later, it's coming up to 3:30 in the afternoon here in France, which actually coincides with the opening of the New York markets. So what you tend to see is a bit of volatility, either up or down, when the markets open. A good thing to look at is the S&P 500, which is you can find it on TradingView by looking for SPX. And normally, if you see like a big red candle here, you'll know that everything's going to head south. So it's not looking particularly bad actually. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens in the next few minutes. Okay, so it's 3:32 in the afternoon now. Looks like Bitcoin's going down a little bit. I think there's so much, you know, shorts versus long in this area that you know, there was actually quite a bit of support, I think. And, oh, there you go. Oh. Okay, so that order is filled, so that is the end of that trade. So if you go to assets, contract history, profit and loss details, you can see that our closed profit and loss was 0.245, then you got an exchange fee, funding fee was 0, so the total profit we made was 0.24 of a Bitcoin, 0.24 BTC in US dollars. So that trade would have made about $7,293, but more importantly it made quarter of a Bitcoin, so you can see that was a really good trade actually. So that is how you do a short. So what I'm going to do next is move over to Bybit, and I'm going to show you how to turn $2,000 into 1 million in 1 year. That's the plan anyway. I'm not sure if I can do it, but I'm going to try it. And if you want to see how I do that, please do like, subscribe, tell your friends, and definitely watch my next video. Okay, this is Saber Crypto saying thanks very much. Bye.